Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy mint margarita at home. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need fresh mint, zesty lime juice, and a touch of simple syrup for sweetness. Don't forget your favorite white tequila and a splash of triple sec. And of course, plenty of ice to create that perfect frosty texture. Let's get ready to blend up some deliciousness. Now let's get blending. First, add your fresh mint leaves, lime juice, and simple syrup into your blender. Next, pour in your white tequila and triple sec. Finally, add about 2 cups of ice. Secure the lid and blend everything together until it reaches a smooth, slushy consistency. You want it perfectly frosty, so keep blending until there are no large ice chunks remaining. This step is key for that refreshing texture. Once your margarita is perfectly blended, it's time to prepare your glasses. You can rim them with salt for a classic taste or sugar for a sweeter twist. Simply moisten the rim with a lime wedge, then dip it into your chosen topping. Carefully pour the frosty margarita into each prepared glass. For the final touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig and a vibrant lime wedge. Enjoy your homemade mint margarita. To truly perfect your mint margarita, feel free to adjust the sweetness and tartness to your liking. A little more simple syrup or lime juice can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of tequila to discover new flavor profiles. You might find a new favorite. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy mixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.